Good morning, San Antonio. I'm your student meteorologist, Khalil Ray. Currently, we are sitting at 77 degrees. Now, does it feel nice and comfortable outside? I mean, you can walk outside for yourself. No, it does not. And you can be thankful to that because of this dew point right here, 72 degrees, just unbearable. Feels like you're walking right outside of the shower, all that mist and humidity. Just not comfortable at all. But it could be worse. We do have some severe weather up in the Midwest going just through Kansas City. I still have a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings as well. But for us in San Antonio, it is cloudy, but the weather is pretty quiet. And we're going to see those clouds start to really taper off by about 4 o'clock this afternoon. Temperatures are going to rise from the upper 80s to the low 90s, but that humidity, unfortunately, isn't quite going to go away. So it could be looking at heat indices closer to 100 degrees in terms of what it feels like. Now, in terms of what our weather pattern is, we're watching this dry line, and the further east it creeps, the drier our air will feel, but unfortunately, it looks like it's going to stay mostly to the west of us, so we're still going to be dealing with some of that humid, uncomfortable air. Now, next up, we're going to be watching is this front is going to push down into our area by about 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock on Wednesday. That's going to bring us some rain chances, and then after it does finally push to our area after stalling for a little bit, we could be seeing some pretty drastic temperature changes. Of course, I'll get more to that as we go to our 7-day forecast, but also going to see more chances in terms of rain. Now, I mentioned how areas in Missouri are seeing some severe weather currently. Now, that's not even the beginning. This is just, that's just the beginning. They're expecting a pretty significant risk later on this afternoon. 4 out of 5 could be seeing a severe weather outbreak up there, but for us in San Antonio, not expecting much, maybe some general thunderstorms. Now, most of that is going to be to the north of us, and it's going to be very isolated in nature due to that dry line and some of that diurnal heating, so about a 10 to 20% chance over the next couple of days. Until we do have that stall front that is going to come through by Wednesday into Thursday, we're going to up those chances to about 20%, 50% by Friday, and let me tell you, I'm talking about how significant our change in temperature is going to be. Going from 95 degrees on Tuesday to 70 by Saturday. Yes, a 25-degree temperature drop is going to feel more like early March than it does late April into early May. And that is literally how Texas weather is. You go from 95 degrees one day to 70 degrees on another day. And of course, you can't talk about Texas in spring weather without mentioning that chance of thunderstorms. So of course, I'll give you more updates on all of these things here at UIW Weather.